He is high-fiving with friend. He is high-fiving with friend. Firefighters are ready to go. Firefighters are ready to go. She is laughing loudly and enjoying. She is laughing loudly and enjoying. She is holding a coffee cup. She is holding a coffee cup. She shares bread with friend. She shares bread with friend. They are going to school. They are going to school. She is sitting there. She is sitting there. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. He washes his hand with soap. He washes his hand with soap. He is holding laptop pointing. He is holding laptop pointing. He is very confident. He is very confident. He plays video games with controller. He plays video games with controller. She takes her selfie with smartphone. She takes her selfie with smartphone. Elderly man is walking with cane. Elderly man is walking with cane. She is writing prescription. She is writing prescription. They walk through muddy puddle having fun. They walk through muddy puddle having fun. She is putting trash in recycle bin. She is putting trash in recycle bin. She has ruler in her hand. She has ruler in her hand. She is wearing hat and holding wheat. She is wearing hat and holding wheat. She loves the ducks. She loves the ducks. He feeds the cow. He feeds the cow. She feeds the birds. She feeds the birds. Mother and kid are singing together. Mother and kid are singing together. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. She is cleaning the table. She is cleaning the table. They are playing in park. They are playing in park. He is drinking cold water. He is drinking cold water. She is cooking food in kitchen. She is cooking food in kitchen. He is carrying heavy bag. He is carrying heavy bag. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. They are riding bicycles. They are riding bicycles. He is reading a book. He is reading a book.